I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we are going to solve a very interesting question which says, prove that z square equals to xy in the given figure. Now, this is also known as geometric mean concept. The figure here shows a right angle triangle ABC. So let me rewrite what the figure is. So we have a right triangle ABC and B to D is altitude from B to hypotenuse. Let me say AC. Now this altitude divides AC into two portions which are x plus y. The length of the altitude BD is z. And you need to show that z square is equal to the product of x and y. Is that clear to you? So that is the question for you. So I hope now the question is absolutely clear. I would like you to pause the video and answer. Well, we offer courses on many subjects including trigonometry. So this question is part of Trigonometry Foundation, a course which is coming up soon. In the month of August, we'll have 8 lessons. And the 8 lessons are for grade 8 to grade 11 students, in which we are going to teach similar and right triangles, 6 trigonometric ratios, acute angles to solve the triangles, solve application questions based on height and distance, special triangles, thinking and application questions, 3D word problems, and we'll model real life situations. We'll have mock tests and practice questions just as we have it here. This course will be run in August. It is a fast track course, 2 hours per week, 2 to 3 p.m. on Wednesdays and Fridays. You will learn all this and you'll be in good hand to solve very difficult questions which are seen in IB, grade 9, IGCSE, SAT, and many other competitive exams, including your school tests of grade 10 and grade 11. Like always, this summer also, we are offering many courses for students to register and get ready for September. Send an email on the address given and achieve success. Now let us see the solution of the question. How do we solve this particular question? So basically, we are considering 3 things. One is this altitude z. The other, it divides into x and y, the hypotenuse. How do we find the ratio which can provide us the solution z square equals to xy? This is what you have to think about. Well, you know tan is the ratio of opposite over adjacent side, right? So we know tan in SOHCAHTOA, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cos adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan is opposite over adjacent. We are going to use tan ratio to solve this particular question. Look here. What is tan of angle alpha? If you look at this triangle, the opposite side is x and the adjacent is z. And therefore, tan of alpha is x over z. Now let's look into the other angle, which is beta shown here, right? So what is tan of beta? Well, the opposite side now, because that is right angle, y, and the adjacent is z. right? So this is the opposite side over the adjacent z. Tan beta is y over z. Now, can you see the solution? How can we prove that z square is equal to the product of x and y? Well, you can see from here that beta is 90 minus alpha, right? So tan beta is basically equals to tan of 90 minus alpha, correct? So tan beta is 90 minus alpha. And from cofunction identity, we know that is cotangent of alpha. Cot is a reciprocal of tan. You get the idea. So we have shown that y over z is actually cot of alpha. And if I multiply the two, what do I get? Do I get my solution? Let us see. If I multiply tan alpha with cot alpha, I know it is 1. Tan alpha is x over z and cot alpha is y over z. And that is equal to 1. So when you multiply, you get x times y over z square equals to 1. Cross multiply to get your answer. Xy equals to z square. Do you see how simple it is? Just by looking at one corner, which is being divided into two angles alpha and beta, we could prove a very important relation, which is also known as geometric mean in any right triangle. The altitude is equal to square root of the length of the other two sides which it divides, or the square of altitude is equal to the product of these two sides. Do you see the use of this particular course which we offer? I hope you join this course. There are very limited seats. You can register by sending an email on the address given here. This will help you to score excellent marks and perform better. I hope you find this video interesting and useful. Feel free to write your comments, share your views, and if you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.
We regularly register students for our courses. This summer, we have a very special program. You can send an email on the address highlighted and join the program of your interest. That will help you to perform much better in the coming semester.
Register by sending the email as the seats are limited.
Join Anil Kumar classes and get ready for a bright future. Thank you.